YouTube, what's up? We back with another video. As y'all can finally see, I'm sorry it took so long. We had some problems with using my phone as the camera. It failed while it was on the tripod, and the mic that I had was in it, and then it just stopped working, so I couldn't record audio from a distance, especially with it being windy and everything. But we got a camera now. We got the Sony ZV-10 and we got some DJI mics now, so everything should be good. If it's not, just bear with me. It might take a couple videos for me to dial all the settings in and everything, so please be patient. But as you can see by the title of the video, man, we doing a 1-year price breakdown. This thing has not cost me a lot of money as far as maintenance and everything. What's my lot might not be a lot to you, so let's get to the video. First, we got maintenance. So of course, the first thing we had to do was do an oil change on this thing. It goes 10,000 miles without needing no oil change. So in the first year, we did 2 oil changes. That costed us $174.88. So I'll buy my oil from FCP Euro. Basically, the first 2 times you buy oil, the third time is going to be free, and the times after that is also going to be free. So you basically get free oil changes with this car after the first 2 years. I think you do have to pay to ship the oil back to them, but that usually costs less than 20 bucks. So $20 oil changes. All right, so the second maintenance thing that we did was tires. 4 new tires. The ones I had were going bald, and I didn't want to drive through the winter with almost bald tires, so we got these Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06. These are a highly recommended tire from all the people in like the BMW forums and everything. These are 245 40 18, rated for a high speed of like 150 miles an hour, I believe. So yeah, 4 tires, $814 or $819, and to get these things mounted costed me another $202.56. So $1,000 altogether for 4 tires on this car. Next, we had our belt and tensioner. Our belt and tensioner is making some noise. I put a new belt on. The old belt was not that bad, but I bought the belt and tensioner as a combo from FCP Euro. But yeah, our belt and tensioner, I will have a video about that coming soon because it is super difficult. The fourth and final thing, which is also related to our belts and tensioner, was a throttle body screw and gasket. This is kind of not really a maintenance thing. It's only because I had to do the belt and tensioner is the reason I had to replace the throttle body gasket and a bolt that I broke in the process of trying to replace the belt and tensioner. Like I said, it's super difficult, so I'll be coming out with a video on that soon, hopefully. So be on the lookout for that. And that's it for maintenance. The total maintenance that we done on the first year of ownership with this car is $1,344.44. Now, obviously, that doesn't include gas or anything like that. Car washes, all that other stuff. You can factor that in if you want. I get a car wash very often. I just got one yesterday, and it's already dirty again. So, yeah. So, performance. The first thing we have is the dining intake that we installed when we first got the car. It was the very first performance part that I installed. I like it. I think it's worth it, but it costed $501.45. That's expensive for an intake. You can't find cheaper ones for $300. You don't get the looks though of the carbon fiber dining one, and the sound sounds amazing. I have the semi-open intake. So it just has a slit on the side. I got that one because I felt like it would allow me to hear more of it than if I got a totally enclosed box. Our second performance part is our VRSF downpipe. I spent $220 on this. That's kind of cheap compared to a new one. A new one is, I think, like $50 more, but I got mine from Facebook Marketplace. The third part that we have for performance is the secondary cat delete. I did that because it had an annoying rattle. If you've seen that video that I posted, it was super annoying, so I had to get that secondary cat deleted, and it sounded much better after that. I also am thinking about doing a resonator delete. Let me know down in the comments if I should do it and the benefits. I feel like the resonator keeps it from having an annoying tone, but I could be wrong. So everyone let me know down in the comments if I should do that. All right, the fourth thing that we have is the CTS Turbo Charge Pipe. I spent $202.88 on this, brand new. I believe I ordered it from ECS Tuning or Euro Tuning, one of those two. This is kind of a performance and maintenance upgrade. I just put it under performance because that's the reason I got it. I would recommend changing it out even if you're going to keep your car bone stock, just because it's something that could go wrong. It's plastic from factory, and upgrading to aluminum one will prevent it from exploding in the future and causing you a big headache. All right, our fifth and last thing on this car that we did for performance is our tune. So I went with Boot Mod 3 with the multi-map tune. It costed $505.75 plus another $50 for the multi-map tune. If you get it in the beginning, you'll save money. I don't know why I didn't, but yeah, my mistake. Y'all just get the multi-map when you buy the tune in the beginning. Save you money. So performance breakdown costed us $1,674.48. Now, is that worth it to you all? I don't know. To me, it was worth it. I love the car. I'm making about 320 to 340 horsepower. I don't really know. I would have to get it dyno. Let me know if that's something that y'all would like to see in the future, a dyno video of this car, so we could see how much horsepower it's actually putting down to the ground. I love it. I don't regret anything about it. And then of course I have my monthly payment, which is $420, and then insurance, which is $330 a month. So let me know, would you own a 2017 BMW 330i? I think it's 100% worth it on my behalf. I could have went and got a 340 or a M340i and paid 40 grand, but to me that didn't seem worth it because I'm paying on this car. It's not like I could just pay it off or anything, and plus I wanted to do upgrades to it, so that wouldn't be financially smart. It's not financially smart to do upgrades to your car anyways because it's a depreciating asset. So to me, it was 100% worth it. Let me know what other YouTube videos y'all would like me to make. Any questions you have on the car, let me know down below. Also, I do have links down below in the description for anything and everything that I use in my videos. If you want to know about anything that's not down below in the description, just ask in the comments and I'll let you know. It has the mics, the camera I use, the tripod stand, everything like that. The dash cam that I use is also down there. So let me know. I do get a commission. It's usually like 4%. So nothing too crazy, but if you want to support the channel, click those links and buy from the links and help me out, you know. And that's the video on our 1 year price breakdown. Hope you all liked it. Please click the subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, leave a comment for engagement. It'll boost my video so we could get on the YouTube homepage, or when people search up price breakdowns of the F30, I'll come up. So let me know any questions you have, and see y'all in the next one. Shalom.